Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Jan Homestead. I'm so happy you're here. I wanted to give you a quick update. I've got a couple things to talk about today. So, first of all, I had my follow-up visit and the doctor said I am extremely healthy and in great shape. We are going to do a colonoscopy. Y'all, it's been 8 years. Life caught up with me. We moved from Texas to Missouri. And last time I had one was in Texas about 8 years ago is what I figured. I'm terrible with dates. But anyway, March 3rd, I go in and they're going to do a scope of my colon and let's just be proactive and make sure everything's good in there and see if I have any polyps. Last time I had 13 polyps. Thank God none of them were cancerous or had any issues. But, please, if you haven't had your colonoscopy, go do it. And there's so many different options for that. That nasty stuff you have to drink. So this time I opted for 2 6-ounce bottles. One I take the night before and one I take 4 hours. Well, one says 4 and one direction says 2 hours before the surgery. So, keep me in your prayers about that. But what I really, really, really want to talk about is the Ozark YouTube Meetup, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's January and June is going to come so quickly. And it is going to be our 5th year anniversary for the Ozark YouTube Meetup. We are so excited about this meetup. Not only because it's our 5th year, but because we found a wonderful resort with a wonderful host. Her name is Sheila. I'm going to put all the information for the Gasconade Hills Resort in the video. And you can call and you have till February if you pre-registered, February 1st. You have to make your payment. Now, we are going to be in the big lodge, and we have the meetup room is attached to the lodge. It's covered. It's beautiful. And Sheila has done everything to make this an exceptional meetup for us. If you want to provide any donations, please email me at simplyjanhomestead@gmail.com and you can either mail it to my P.O. or I will give you my physical address depending on what you're shipping. And if you're coming to the meetup, you can just bring it with you and put it in a bag or whatever. Well, I'm so excited. This meetup is hosted again by Gail Southern Living, myself, and Linda from Another Time. We are going to have a potluck as we do every year, and this year will be tacos. So we'll have soft tacos, we'll have crunchy, hard-shell tacos, hamburger. I think we're going to keep it at hamburger. We may have some hot dogs on the side for the kids, but most people love tacos. So it'll be a simple thing. If you want to bring something as a side, please feel free to do so. We never, ever go without enough food. We have a plethora of beautiful dishes that everyone brings and donates, and so please feel free to do that. Cheese dips would be wonderful. Any picante sauce or salsa, all the things you do with tacos. But we are so excited about this year and the location, for our meetup. It's a beautiful area and it's not a big area. So that's why I'm going to really stress, if you're coming, pay for your spot now. June is a busy month for them, and the the place spots are going fast, y'all, and I mean fast. I'm not kidding you. So make sure you secure your place. And there's a pool there. They have games at the pavilion that the children can play. Fishing, kayaking, rafting, boating, you name it, it's there. And the Gasconade River is gorgeous, y'all. You can take a trip on the river and they will pick you up, or you can just get out at the Gasconade Hills Resort. They have nearly 100-year-old cabins that they've restored, and it's just a lovely, lovely spot. So we're really, really looking forward to our 5th year anniversary for the Ozark YouTube Meetup. And I cannot wait to see who comes. I'm so excited. We're going to have some surprise visitors. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I know, but very few people, okay, I'm not going to say nobody. Very few people know or have guessed, and I'm not talking lip seal. So it's going to be a absolute blast, and we can't wait to see you there. If you don't have plans for June 6th, 7th, and 8th, I would encourage you to come and join our reunion. Every year it's like a family reunion, and we're just over the moon excited for this location. Unfortunately, this year we will not have anyone staying at our house because it's too far for our house. So there's hotels, there's cabins, there's tent RV spots, and many, many choices. So we're looking forward to seeing y'all there. Again, I'll put all the information in the video, and I'll put the link in the description box, so you can just click on there and you can call, make a reservation, or you can do it online. Either way, Sheila is just an amazing host, and she's on her game. Now, the most important thing is tell Sheila that you're with the Ozark YouTube Meetup. And because she sends me a list of people who are attending, and I'm super stoked. I'm just so stoked. I don't even know all the words to tell you. It's going to be an exciting time, and I'm so looking forward. Well, there goes the camera shutting off again. I'm so looking forward to seeing everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at simplyjanhomestead@gmail.com. You can email Gail, Gail Southern Living 2026 at Yahoo, or you can email Linda at another time. And just, ask us what you need to know, and we'll try to help you out. And don't forget, it's a potluck, so bring a dessert, bring a side dish. We're homesteaders. We have amazing, amazing food, and I suspect this year will be amazing for prizes. And that's probably my funnest thing to do, is see everyone, getting their prizes, and it's so fun. It's just so fun. And the kids will have a blast swimming in the Gasconade River. So we'll see you on the next one. And again, if you haven't had your colon test, your colonoscopy, go get it. Schedule it. Don't be like me. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Love well. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.